Howdy everyone! Are you interested in real estate, finances, tax breaks, economy? If the answer is yes, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Investory channel, where we believe that every home is both a financial investment and a unique story. I would like to empower you with all the necessary education and knowledge in order to optimize your home ownership experience. Whether you're interested in a house for yourselves to live in, an investment to secure a financial future, or both. My name is Or Yochanan. I'm a computer engineer, a licensed real estate agent in Austin, Texas, and a proud father of 2 to 4 children, depends if you're counting cats. Well, 6 if you're counting motorcycles. When I bought my first home, no one taught me anything. The realtor sold me a house. The lender sold me a loan. And although I try to learn as much as I can, sometimes in life, you just don't know the things that you don't know. In retrospect, I made a lot of mistakes that could have been easily avoided had I had some guidance. So I strive to be the person who can help guide others. The mentor I wish I had known 5 years ago. Be advised, my content is a bit lengthy, but it's only because I avoid cutting corners and taking shortcuts. If you have topics you'd like me to cover, or any question whatsoever, drop me a comment. I read them all. I take the best and I convert them into content. So all of us can grow from it together. The only thing I ask from you in return, when you use my advice and you save a bunch of money, please reply and tag me so I can learn about it. This gives me a lot of fuel and a lot of motivation to keep doing these videos. I hope I can be a positive influence on your life, and I hope to see you on the next one.